Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on basic mid-game tactics. This should be the third part of section 2 of chapter 7, which deals with dislodging material by leveraging a situation. So a quick analysis of this position, we will see that it will be black's turn to move. We'll see that red would have 2 cannons, 1 chariot, 1 horse, a full guard, 3 pawns. Black would have 2 cannons, 1 chariot, 1 horse, same major pieces, but only 2 pawns and a full guard. Now it will be black's turn to move. Now the red chariot has the cannon and chariot pinned to this file. The red cannon was controlling this file, and they were preparing to attack. However, the horse was not developed, and red would have a central cannon already pinning black's central file. So how can the most important thing for black to do would be try to free himself from the pin at this point in time. But how to do this, he would have to try to dislodge the chariot. But how can he leverage the situation to his favor and use this tactic? So we shall see. The first move would be to play p3 plus 1. With p3 plus 1, if the black pawn were allowed to cross the river, the horse would now be in trouble. So black would play p7 plus 1. And at this point in time, black would use the tactic of a discovered attack by playing c7 equals to 8 to threaten to capture the chariot. Now this would place black in a dilemma, red in a dilemma, because the correct move would be to play r2 equals to 1. Now if red captured the cannon, black would immediately apply the tactic of a discovered attack and threaten to checkmate. Now either way, red can only protect in this manner, but either way he will lose his chariot, and black's remaining material, the presence of this chariot, would mean that black was basically guaranteed a victory, because there was still a pawn here, and the cannons have not returned to defend. So black would now gain a winning position. So that is why black cannot play or capture the red cannon. And after doing so, black would have now dislodged the red chariot and forced it back into the corner. So again, another brilliant attack by advancing the cannon to deliver a check. Again, red cannot capture the cannon, or black would use the same tactic again. So red would lose the chariot and the game. And this would force black to retreat his advisor, and red could now apply a central cannon to attack. Now this would force black to defend in this manner, and black would have many options of continuing to attack. The horse would be free to go, and black would have turned the tables. So a short recap: to dislodge or to free himself of the pin, p3 plus 1. Now if red did not capture or moved, this horse would be in trouble. And after doing so, c7 equals to 8 to threaten to capture the chariot, forcing it back to the corner. Another threat, a check, to entice the red chariot to capture the cannon, forcing red to defend, and black would not only have dislodged the red chariot, he would also have gained a much more powerful position as compared to the initial position over here. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.